So we're testing that if all responses are there in the data group view when a quiz and student is selected. Let's see. So we're doing this one first. If nothing is selected, if they just click on load responses, they should say please select a quiz and a student. Yep, it works. Yep. Let's just now click legit Ollie. Let's click Ollie and response, and that's it. That's everything. There's a table for it, response table, which is this 1 to 51, 1 to 115. So we have like 1 to 115 goes in ascending. It goes in ascending order. So like that's everything. There's an answer next to it, the answer column, which was added because of the I used the inner join SQL statement to get this next to this. So yep, that's everything. Let's just type in econf. As part of this quiz and student is not present. So that works. The whole thing as expected. Alright, so let's go on. 11. Feedback is saved in database. So let's just type in feedback for Ollie. Let's go back. Ollie. So, well done. Well done. You have this was poor from you. You got 1 mark. 1 mark was achieved. By the way, teacher doesn't know at the moment what mark he has, but they will know when they export it, so they can analyze what mark they received, and they just can write whatever the feedback they want. But this time we're just testing like if the feedback is saved in the database or not. So just click whatever that. Good luck. Let's say good luck. Save the feedback. Submitted. Let's just go on database and see if it's submitted. Feedback. Browsing. Good quiz. Please ignore this. This is just random. So yep. Only econ D, econ A is a problem. So that works. The feedback is in the database. Yeah, it works. So let's just now select like a student or something. I should have done this earlier, but so like we just basically just don't write anything and then please enter username and quiz name. So yeah, they're gonna enter something here to save a feedback. So that works as well as expected. So yeah, that works as well. So let's say if let's move on to the next one. The PDF for responses is saved in the folder directory. So I'll click on this. It should save this PDF. This is converted into PDF, and it is saved into the folder path specified along with the student name and all that. So let's see if it works or not. We gotta type in the whatever it is. Econ. So let's export this. It exported to this folder path. So let's just check if it's there or not. Quiz responses. Ollie Mansfield. This is the most recent one here. The date right here is 6th of March. So I got one mark here. That works properly. Everything's there. So there we go. Let's just not type in quiz name and the first name of the student, and just try to export it. So it won't export it. As you can see, no changes there. So it worked as expected.